Hi everyone. Due to the pandemic, we cannot move around freely, especially to go abroad. And we know that a lot of you wants to find trustworthy partners in electronic cigarettes or cannabis vapes. So in order to promote ourselves to you guys, we wanted to take you guys on for a virtual trip to our factory. So follow me and we're gonna show you how we are like here at SMISS Tech. Yeah, this is our facial recognition entrance. So here is our main building. We have 5 floors here, and we own another building down there which is 9th floor. So this area is basically for office stuff, and we have R&D people down there at that building. I will take you there later on in our trip, but just follow me quickly to our office level, and I'm gonna take you up to the higher levels, which is our manufacturing lines. This is our waiting area here in the lobby. Just follow me. So we have reception rooms here, and go down there we have our procurement department, PMC's office, and we have a meeting room here, and here we have right, this is actually being occupied. We have we took a pic. So this is we call it indoor cinema, but it's actually a big meeting room. So let's hurry up. This whole area used to be our R&D department, but as we have more people coming in, so we have relocated them to the other building. So it's actually vacant at this moment. Hi guys, I have to take it from here because she's running away, because she is going to queue here as we are having our monthly afternoon tea time. You will see a bunch of people there queuing, and we have prepared them snacks, different food, vegetables, for them to have a relax. Right, so I'm gonna take the other way and show you our office work. Right here, this is our human resources department. All these ladies here, they are in charge of all kinds of activities, from cultural to education to even sports events, and they have lifted up the spirit of our employees for sure. We have one meeting room at each corner of our office, so 4 basically. And here is our marketing team. They are in charge of all documents, promotions, and this is Vincent. Hello Vincent. Hello. Say hi. Right. Oh yes, Raven is here. This is our sales director of international sales. He's just got back from a business trip, and he has to stay for 40 days in the quarantine. I'm sorry for him. 21? Right, okay. And people actually here are having a meeting, so I'm not gonna speak up. But from here, these are the international sales team. That's our planners, that's our designers, and some coordinators between our R&D and the sales team. Yes, there is something here. Let me show you. We have 2 bookshelves, one here, one down there, and we got hundreds of books. Employees are welcome to come here at their free time to take a look at them. Those are free. They can even take them home as long as they note down their names. So it's okay. This is the first floor. of our office, and above us are the manufacturing plants. We have another 4-floor that's basically designed for manufacturing. But just follow me. Let me give you a quick tour of what is our cafeteria and our dormitory look like. And from here is our backyard. Right, it's lunchtime actually, so you can see people coming to this place, which is the cafeteria. We have to queue a little bit as it's very crowded at this moment. Now we are standing outside the cafeteria, and after showing you guys around, you have probably got the basic idea of how does SMISS Tech look like. So let's move on to the next question. What kind of products does SMISS Tech provide? So let's move our feet to the showroom.